Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the MIUI version and that the home screen is editable. This avoids hidden restrictions. Once done, long press an empty spot on your home screen to open the Widgets panel and wallpapers. Make sure you can see the list of apps that offer widgets, clock, notes, and many third-party apps show options. You do this now because choosing the correct app narrows available widget sizes and settings, saving time before placement. Next, swipe through the widget list and tap the widget to preview available sizes. Choose 1x1, 2x2, 4x1, or custom sizes depending on space. Drag your chosen size onto the home screen and release where you want it, then hold to fine-tune alignment. After placement, tap the widget to open its configuration. Pick accounts, content, shortcuts, and themes. Doing this now locks in function and style, so the widget behaves and looks as you expect. To finish, long press the placed widget and use the resize handles to expand or shrink it so it fits your grid. Once sized, verify interactive elements, shortcuts, toggles work. If the widget won't update or displays old info, force close the app, clear its cache, and reboot. Make sure background activity and permissions are allowed. If a widget is missing entirely, reinstall the app or check that it's allowed to run in the background. That typically resolves the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.